beautiful. Check this out. This was completely unexpected. A snowstorm in Windsor, North Carolina. Crazy. Look at it falling. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, some may not think so, because it can also be dangerous, but yeah, we don't get a lot of this. We used to get like 3 a year. About 10, 15 years ago, we started getting about one. But this is a good one. This is crazy. Quite beautiful. I know how to make footprints to it. Cody, look, get in your house, okay? Please get in your doghouse, please. Cody, please, man. Look, it's cold. Go in there. I know you got straw in there and stuff. And plus, you got freaking chow hair. You're good. Come on, boy. Please, please. Please. I know everybody. I love you. Please get in your doghouse. Please get in your doghouse. Guarantee all the cats are in the shop. No, they're not. Okay. Anyway, I wanted to show this. Yeah. I can get back to you.